Alright guys, so right now we are gonna get sister and let's see where she is. Alright, she good. She's supposed to just get our thing already. Let's go. Welcome to the vlog. Alright, everybody there know we are here. Guys, I said that we just meet up with sister and everything on there. Ball out. What? Like ball out, what? Wait. Man, it was so happy. What a feeling, baby. It was very definitely. We are enjoying every moment of the second of it. And family seems to be having a good time, fun. So right now we are going to have dinner and getting in some little entertainment after what's in store. We know it's a Wednesday, right? It's a Wednesday, so maybe not much, but you know, we still enjoy everything. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into the vlog. And do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.